Hey everyone, Annie Dickerson here, and today I wanted to share with you a super simple, quick tool that you can use whenever you're sharing any third-party external links or even your own links. Have you ever sent out a newsletter or an email where you're including a link to, let's say, Forbes or the New York Times or Multifamily Executive or CBRE or something like that? And you're thinking, well, that's great. I'm sharing their information, but how does that help me convert investors and bring them back to my investor list and my deals? So I'm going to show you a super simple and genius tool that will help you even when you share those external links. So when you share a Forbes article, you can still use that to drive people back to your business. Sounds amazing, right? And it's free to use and it's super simple to set up. So with that, let me show you real quick. This tool is called Sniply. Some of you may have heard of it before. Some of you may have used it before. I'll just show you real quick the use case for it. So let's say that you find an article, an external article like this one from globestreet.com that you decide you want to share out in your newsletter or, or an email to your investors. So obviously you could grab this link, pluck that sucker right out of there and plop that right into your newsletter. People click on it, they come to this exact page, right? But as you can see, there's nothing on this Globe Street page that says anything about your business, about who you are, about how people can engage with you. At best, people might click this, open it, read through it, click it, or close it, and forget it, right? But what if there were a way that people could read through this external third-party article and still have a call to action to go back to your site and to engage with you? How amazing would that be, right? So that is where Sniply comes in. So I'm going to grab this link here. I'm just going to copy it. Actually, I'm just going to copy it. Sometimes you see these, when you see a question mark, anything after that is tracking code. So I'm just going to grab this main URL here. And then I'm going to go over here to Sniply. So you can sign up for a free account. This is the dashboard in Sniply. And then you're going to go up here to enter a URL and you're just going to paste that in there and create a snip. Super fast, super easy. You can customize it early on, and then you can just reuse the same templates over and over. So as you can see, I've pasted it in here. It gave me a green check mark. Now, not all websites will allow Sniply. It can still track if people are clicking, but it will not display this handy little, this overlay. So the idea with Sniply is that you can customize this call to action down here, and this will follow people as they scroll through whatever link, whatever article that you've shared with them. So how neat is that, right? So I'll just show you real quick. Under the call to action section, we have a whole bunch that are already set up. But if you wanted to, you could create a new call to action and you can customize it. You could put your photo or your logo here. You can put custom text here and customize the button text as well. All right, so for me, for right now, this looks pretty good. So I'm going to click snip. And then it's going to give me this new code. So I'm going to copy this. And so now when I am sending out my newsletter, instead of sharing this direct link, check this out. I'm going to share this Sniply link. And when people click on this Sniply link, this is what they will see. So they will see the exact article. All of the content is still there. Boy, this person published this at 4:06 a.m. And I thought I had late nights. Anyway, so they see this exact article here. All the content is still here. The format is a little bit different, but all the content is still here. And check this out. As I'm scrolling, look, that call to action follows me down the page. How powerful is that? And so then people start to associate you. They don't know that this is a tool. They start to associate you. Oh, look, Globe Street is somehow associated with Goodegg investments and vice versa. So if this is a Forbes or, CBRE or Marcus and Millichap, some other authority, how powerful is that for people to start associating them, that brand, that powerful, well-known, authoritative brand with your brand? So it works in multiple ways. You're borrowing that reputation of that brand, and you're giving your investors a solid call to action, even when you're sharing these external links, so that they can go ahead and follow up with you and engage with you, even when they're reading a third-party article. So how cool is that, right? All right. So I want you all to go and try it out. Go and try it out right now. So grab a third-party article, go to Forbes. All right, now I can't think of any. Uh, all the commercial real estate sites, wherever you go for your news on real estate, or you can just Google real estate news. Find an article that you think might be relevant for your audience. Sign up for a Sniply account if you don't already have one, and pop that URL in there. And then do me a favor, in the comments below, would you share that Sniply link? I want to see what all of you are creating through Sniply. And so let's share those out so we can all see those. And with that, that's the quick tip of the day. And I hope that that has helped you move the needle just a little bit in your business. I'm Annie Dickerson. Thank you so much for watching.